time now GF4 advert. Is it we know my advertising per coach, right?
Yes.
The Ghana Football Association has outlined 5 key criteria that the next blaster coach must meet. Somebody sa documents ba bonti and check. And 3 or 4 days. And it is a Oma for Otto Addo. This announcement comes in the week of the departure of Chris Hutton. Chris Hutton, who was relieved of his duties as the head coach following Ghana's disappointment performance at the 2023 African Cup of Nations tournament, where the team exited at the group stage, at the group phase with just 2 points. The criteria for the selection of the new head coach has been summarized with the Ghana Football Association emphasizing the need for a truly and strategic approach in finding a suitable candidate. So we are going for the strategic approach, the 5. Or say the potential head coach should be a proven winner in coaching top men's national team or club.
Club football.
It's a club there, any disco club. Yeah, a club. It's supposed to be a club. Say any disco, any supposed to so be a Menyaka club or be a football club. And our football sporting disco ever.
There be in fact.
I quite say you are 24. I guys do you call disco 24 hours economy. Very, very important. Point one.
Sure.
I say the potential head coach should be a proven winner. The emphasis is a proven winner in coaching top men football national team or club football. 2, I say must have a football philosophy that align with or complement our DNA. Or say must have a football philosophy that aligns with or complements our DNA. 3, I say must hold the highest football license in the world, over 15 years of coaching experience. No, on the 5. So 1.3 no.
Sure.
I say must hold the highest football license in the world with over 15 years of coaching experience. 4, I say proven track record in team reconstruction, organization, and development of young talent.
Proven track record in team reconstruction.
I say proven track record in team reconstruction, organization, and development of young talent. And the last one, I say proven disciplinary, tactician, and leadership skills. Then let's take it one after the other.
Okay. Number one.
I see the potential head coach should be a proven winner in coaching top men team, national team, or football club. You can be a proven winner, yes, like what done it, why ye obey him said track record say no tear, say no bitch my and I yes an approving tear. Before say Otto Addo blasters for your national team at their mama. No, you're proving now. If on you're proving now, okay, then let's go back and challenge those who believe that no, you're proving. No, about one World Cup qualifier, friends, qualifier, and I yes, no, about one World Cup qualifier. So one World Cup qualifier, no. Now you're in the game against Nigeria, home and I will need your ball draw.
Sure.
Or share one go.
Yeah, share one.
Or share one go, and they share one. You free on them, and then I think now there was some few African Cup of Nations qualifiers, and I was able or something like this. And I say if you want or they call Cup of Nations, big moon coming.
Otto Addo. They call Cup. The Cup of Nations don't
after playoff no call World Cup.
After playoff no.
After World Cup no dey adwuma no call.
After playoff no, and they call World Cup.
Sure.
So during the playoff, after the playoff, no, you ever call World Cup. You about 2 or 3 friendly matches. None of them any win here.
Sure.
And I yes anache.
Sanity.
And then they call World Cup. You win one match, right?
Yeah, back against Korea.
Korea 3-2, right? And they lose to Portugal.
And Uruguay.
And the Uruguay. And then the Jumadi as a Blasters coach. A bear way. So the proven winner as a national team coach, no, na him fan and never. No, maybe na minim, maybe na coach bibi na munima minim. A proven winner as a national team coach, no, na him fan and never.
Oto they say a training canal yes a trainer scout Dortmund.
And yes sir.
Sure.
So top men football club na no coach na e dia hi. Say nye intro any hypocritical system and the point one clearly tells us that now he didn't fit for the job.
I saw more interview is on no impressive.
The point two must have a football philosophy that align with or complement our DNA. The current Ghana Football Association omo efe satan na omo Germany no na oni o no you be fa na Germany no ko
Germany no
you be for second time no
second time no
okay.
So what was the DNA of our Ghana football?
Or they call cup no
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 what was the DNA? It should have a football philosophy that
DNA.
What was the DNA? The football philosophy no e probably you can pardon him on that because if you catch him now convince him that football is. But point one it doesn't qualify. And the point one is the key. He doesn't qualify. The point one he doesn't qualify. Say your friend say hypocrisy and the way you want. The point one doesn't make him qualify. Let's come to the point three. Also must hold the highest football license in the world with over 15 years of coaching experience. Otto Addo what did say? No, I'm checking the age now, Biggie.
I think 50 something.
Daddy, he's around 43 or something.
Hey, sir.
David.
Otto Addo is around 40. No, Otto Addo meaning say no.
Hey.
Otto Addo is a young man.
Check his age, not sure. He's around 50, 43, 46. What that costs around 46?
Otto Addo was 49 years.
49 years, it means when you say me. So, yeah, 15 years and 49 years. When I say, Rebecca saying, move for phone. Move 49. Now, move subtract 15 and 49.
49 minus 15, my 34.
34, no new coach. Not that super football. No new coach. So now your coach in poor no need a pro license at that particular time, no need. And I sir, 34 years ago, no 15 years ago, no at all, no coach team. No coach team.
Otto Addo so no coach team.
Coach team be ada.
And 34 years no, mun checking share be somewhere around 2006, 2007, 15 years back. Where mun checking share. Mun checking share 15 years. Yanti 15 years and coach na hwe ade.
That would be around 2009.
2009. You book World Cup 2008. In 2000, you got World Cup 2006.
So Bobby.
Obo World Cup ni bi. And to retire football club, or retire ball from 2008. And that's at half in retire football. Let's check big.
On the last club of boy was in 2008.
2008.
Hamburger SV.
Hamburger SV. Oh no, that was in the last club.
Yeah.
Oh no, retire year 2008. And so for 2008 about and now how many years? How many teams know our coach are now pointing a man qualified? And then point 4, or see proven track record in team reconstruction. On coach team biada. And yes sir.
Sure.
On coach team biada. Organization and development of young talent. Or you can part in development of young talent because you are just now your friend is saying children scout your friend say Dortmund. Young fella they cry. You be so no cover Haaland about Dortmund.
Say minim se metimi ache mu kaka. Na juma na oye ne ye say na on coach the youth team. But on the ye yemfa ne say a liaison between the youth team coaches and then the senior team coaches. It is a talent to be a youth team. Now you feel say the model more was through affair was he promoting or don't recommend any the senior team coaches. Yeah. Say the trainer scout no. So he scouts the young talents in the junior team for the senior team. Yeah.
So mon baby I could. So a proven track record in team reconstruction. Reconstruction means that they may chase and minimum about understand of reconstruction. I didn't say now we see now.
Yeah.
Obi only 0.3. No only 0.1. Where they use 0.4. They make a matter say. Because answer will be 0.4 no. Or say the person should be the head coach, a proven winner. And so a proven winner, it means our experience way, 15 years experience. You will be over 15 years experience in football, be a real organizer. Be experience. Ebi o kasem se si a won tina se. Ba ye kure nim kakra no, bo se nsem ma o kan ne explanation no. Bo se aida abam. Me for example. Yoko 2001 World Under-20 Championship. Ewa Argentina. Coach, the late coach Afrani. Time o dropo Dombote, Charles Taylor and Stephen Oduru. He took his time to explain why he think that those players were not fit for that particular tournament. The core tournament, introduced John Pencil as a right back. He ended up being one of the best right fullback in the tournament. Razak Ibrahim, Mefoda, McLean, and a friend is John Mensah in that particular tournament. Derek Boachimo. Drop no, he was able to prove why he did that. So, as I'm saying, a proven disciplinary and a tactician. Coach Timber now coach and a leadership skills. Timber now coach pay. I him say an tactics in and I jumo you. So all the 5 points now outlines and not and no mujina to epic coach. No, Otto he doesn't fall in. He doesn't fall in. So mention them blaming the baby. Omo appointing no omo na me blame omo. No, to do mention them blaming the baby because so share side at the 5 unless Obi catch him say he fall in one of them. He doesn't fall in. And the no or you fall in on your criteria. Now the team now man so on coach here. You make buy ya na oye no. We don't have an identity, sir.
So,
but I'm telling you, this is one of the best group of players I work. And maybe a caller be, I think now Angola knows a match BC. Maybe I say that was the best caller. Tima, we have Tariq Lamptey and then Ali Ducidi. Relatively, but the clubs are not bad. Even at the central defense, what's Ali Suni, your friend is saying? Juku. And then that guy Mumin. Relatively at club side, week in, week out, they play football. In fact, this is one of your best team, your players are from number 1 to number 11. Every week, Biano, they step out on the field of play to give out their best for their friends and their clubs. Antoine Semenyo, Mohamed Kudus, Dada Melford, young Suleiman and Obama, do all those players, Elisha Owusu. Inaki Williams.
Biggie, I'm be away no. So I'm up coach now because you apply.
Apply. Why are not 58 coaches that apply? Otto Addo apply for that job. But they ended up in they ended up doing what? Interviewing him alone.
I'm a sabe casa more interview no munina.
Messi because apply. Otto Addo did not apply. So, say, Obi wo to me. The current FA are telling us that Omu no more to me our football more for some year do me. Into the open number here, which me omo hwe. Exactly what they are telling us. The omo ka change na no. So Omu no more to me say ombe ye the omo pe. Eno no omo ye no. you know, that is what the FA is doing. And to me, Otto Addo there, me blame no. Because criteria na the penny now, or also by say Jumano. Criteria in your 5 in you, unqualified. None of the 5 criteria are no qualified. And you the man now or yet, that is all what he can do.
You bet me I know.
Don't bet me, Come I ever walk up or a cover in Nigeria will walk up qualifier now, dear co walk up. Don't me among
you. Send them
from that time up to now. Want to we need 2 matches, MIU, Anna.
Oh, you need back walk up.
Oh, we need back walk up.
Qualifiers, no, Mali and Central.
Ah, okay, so Mali. A Komali home koshe.
That walk up qualifier. So that's what the which my why am I no. So if we the criteria we to just say and then the criteria open as a coach. Let's a wow ukofa Otto Addo ba. At this criteria there, he doesn't qualify on this criteria.